dripping gas right there. Oh yeah. There you go. Push that. Oh. Oh. Just like that. Let's go see what's leaking. Alright. So this is 10mm. See, it's wet. Only thing I can see the crack. See it? It's right there. Let's go turn it on. Ouch. Oh, right there, it's pissing. Oh man, yep, it's from that crack. See it? JB weld. Try it out. Let's clean it up first. Oh. Oh. See the crack? Look at that. There's some cracks here. What is coming from there? Ooh. Still coming out some gas. I think to relieve the pressure I need to take out the line. Oh, maybe push it in. Screw it in my face. Push it in. Ooh, that's what it did. Release it, push it in, pull this out. Let's do that again. Push it in. There, that's locked. So push it in, push, pull. Do it one more time. Okay, that's locked. Push that way. And then push, then pull. Got it? We are going to try this right here. JB weld, plastic weld. Alright, let's do this. Let's just sand it down. This will work. Sand it down first so it can stick. Okay, I'm going to use my daughter's Playdoh. I asked her to borrow some and she was nice to give me some. Thank you, Lara. I'm going to put it around the edge right here. The JB weld will seep down, so I don't want that. Right there. Get some Playdoh. Wow. Now I know why my daughter likes playing with this. That. We can go around. Okay, I think that's good. Uh-oh. Now we mix this up. Gotta follow the instructions to mixing trays right there. It's getting windy now. I don't know how much I'm gonna use. I don't know how much I'm gonna use. Uh-oh, my sweat went on it. Dang it. My sweat drip. Dang it. Gotta wipe my forehead. Okay, we're good. Oh! What the hell? Mix it. I think that's good. Let me put it. Oh, yes. Okay, not too much. Not too much. Not too much, buddy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Overflow. Overflow. Oh, man, I should have put more. Dang it. Let's just put this, push it. Let's push it up. Push it up. There, I think that's good. There, just like that. I think that's good. Oh man, that's a lot. Make it dry for till tomorrow. I think that's what we'll do. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for another day. Thank you for the rain last night. Here in Vegas, it's so dry and hot. We need it. Alright, let's see if it worked. Let's see. Let's touch it. Ooh! Did you see that? That's crazy. Put this back in. Okay, it's good. Let's start it up. Good for temporary until you get a new housing. This is Lake Mead. It's big. This lake is huge.
Yeah, but it's in a drought.
Yeah. You okay, Dan? Huh? I didn't even drink any water. We hiked all the way down there. Right there. Without stopping, right, Dan?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, buddy. That's how you do it.
Never doing that again.
Whatever. You can do it.